Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. My name is Bharat Natrayan. Now we are in a 20th video of Next.js series. In this video, we are going to see about fallback blocking. In my previous video, I have explained about what is fallback, true, false. So if you don't know what is fallback or getStaticPaths and fallbacks, I will provide the link in the top right corner. You can refer there. Definitely you will get the good amount of knowledge. So as I said before, already we have seen fallback false, true, and now we are going to see about fallback block. So first the developer will develop the resource or source web page, and he will deploy in the Next.js app. At that time, fallback true will generate the static pages, and fallback false will generate a very minimum amount of static page, and the remaining will be developed at the time of user request with the fallback page. Here, here also we will follow the same as true but without fallback. For example, we want 10 static pages. We can create a 3 static page at the build time and a 7 page at the user request time. So next, the builded static pages will be deployed in the server, and the user will request for the source. If the server have the source, it will return the data. Otherwise, it will generate the data and provide the static page to the user. Then getStaticPath will generate all the route or path for the static pages. The generated static route will be passed to the getStaticProps, and with this route it will generate the getStatic pages. Here you can see getStaticPath. It will generate the route. It will pass all the route in an array. Then this getStaticProp will generate the page with the help of the route. So for that I'm going to use blocking. Then I'm going to build the pages, and I'm going to move it. Here we can see with this URL, with this fake API, we have 100 data, but I have generated only 3 data. After build time, we will have only 3 static pages. If we need another remaining 97 pages, we can request and then it will build. So we can see it practically. That's why I have provided the build command, so we can see the examples practically. So it's running. It's almost going to finish. Yes, it done. So let's start the build. Start. So after this command, it will initiate the build files. So we can access here. We can get the page at the frequent of time. If I provide a 9, it will take some time and then it will provide the data. So this is the difference happening here. So with this, between this mean time, it will not provide the fallback pages also. Here as we seen before itself, it will not provide the 404 page. Instead of that, it will start to generate the page. So we will not receive the fallback version also. At the same time, the getStaticProps will generate the route. It passes to the getStaticProps. After at that time, the route will be added subsequently at each request to the Next.js app. If we are creating a, we have seen an example here, we have generated the 9 at the request time, so the route will be automatically added to the Next.js app itself. So we reach the important part of this video. What is the difference between fallback, false, true and blocking? Please provide your thoughts on this in the comment section so you can evaluate yourself how you have understood the fallback, false, true and fallback blocking. So we have reached the final part of this video. Thank you guys, and if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe button and get the regular updates on YouTube.